So then guys, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is already shaping up to be one of the most important iPhones Apple has ever made. And we're still months away from its launch. But right now, leaks are coming in fast from the likes of, say, Mark Gurman, Min-Chi Kuo, and other insiders that are being reported by the likes of, say, Mac Rumors, 9to5Mac, and Apple Insider. And they're all starting to line up now, giving us a clear picture of what Apple is planning. So today, I want to walk you through the biggest leaks so far, what they actually mean, and when this new iPhone is likely coming with its release date. So, the first major leak is about the display. Mark Gurman has said, according to Mac Rumors, that Apple is moving towards a new generation of OLED panels for the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max. This would mean a brighter, better power efficiency and more accurate colors too. There has been talks about an under-screen display technology or a smaller dynamic island, but Gurman has made it clear that if Apple cannot make this perfect, they will simply not ship it. So right now, the most realistic expectation is a noticeably better screen rather than a radical visual design. So obviously this is definitely changing from other leaks and rumors that we've heard recently about how things could be changing for dynamic islands. But the other thing that we've also heard for the second big rumor comes from Min-Chi Kuo. According to his supply chain reports covered by Mac Rumors, Apple is designing the internal layout of the iPhone 18 Pro Max to make space for a slightly larger battery without making the iPhone thicker now. If this is true, we could see real better world battery life inside of this phone, especially for video recording, gaming, and long days of heavy use too. This is very typical Apple, not flashy on paper, but extremely noticeable in everyday use. But then, after this, the third leak is all about performance. Industry sources reported by 9to5 and Apple Insider suggest that the iPhone 18 Pro Max will ship with Apple's next generation chip, most likely going to be the A20 Pro, built on a more advanced manufacturing process than before, and that should bring better efficiency, cooler temperatures, and stronger AI performance for features like Siri, photo processing, and Apple Intelligence. In simple terms, this iPhone should feel faster, smoother, and more capable than the iPhone 17 Pro Max in almost every situation. But then, after this, for the fourth big rumor, this again comes from Mark Gurman, covered by Mac Rumors, and it focuses on the camera system. We are hearing that Apple would upgrade the telephoto lens on the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max, pushing zoom performance further than ever before. There will also be whispers about improved low light photography and better video stabilizations, which would make this incredible device for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers who rely on their iPhone as a primary camera. But first, just quickly guys, I want to tell you about the international giveaway I am doing for this. That's right, I'm giving away a Mac Mini, but this is an M4 Pro model. And like I said, giving it out to one lucky subscriber on this channel on this international giveaway. And all you have to do is just follow a few steps. The first thing you need to do to enter it is make sure that you are a subscriber, because that's who I'm going to give this away to. Plus, when we get to 800,000 subscribers, that is when I'm going to be giving away this Mac Mini. So make sure if your friends and families have not actually, subscribed to this channel yet, get them involved. Share this video right now as you're watching this, and then obviously get them to sign up too. So when we get to 800,000 subscribers, we can give away this Mac Mini. Now, the other thing that you guys need to do too is put down into the comments below of what technology gear you're hoping to get in 2026. Maybe it's going to be a new MacBook Pro. Maybe it's going to be a new iPhone. Maybe it's got nothing to do with Apple whatsoever. It could be, say, a new Nintendo Switch 2, for example. Whatever it is, put it down into the comments below. Now, the third thing that you need to keep an eye on is that when we get to that 800,000 subscribers, I'll be making a video on this channel giving you more details about the giveaway, including a form to fill in too. So like I said already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also get your friends and family to subscribe too with sharing this video. The last thing I just want to quickly say to you guys is sadly there are lots of people who are still impersonating me, sending you to WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, direct message, Discord message, you name it. Please do ignore these people. Best you can see right here. Please do report them. But moving on, let's just zoom out for a moment because another important leak ties all of this together. According to analysts reported by Mac Rumors and Apple Insider, Apple appears to be moving towards a premium first iPhone strategy in 2026. That means the iPhone 18 Pro Max could launch alongside the iPhone Fold, and then we may also get the likes of the iPhone Air 2. But what could also happen is the likes of the standard iPhone 18 or the normal iPhone 18, that would arrive much later and also come out with the iPhone 18e. This shows that Apple is treating the Pro Max and the Pro not just another yearly update, but a centerpiece for its entire iPhone lineup this time round. And another rumor coming from supply chain resources support this, saying that Mac Rumors suggests that in refining it back to a titanium design again with the iPhone 18 Pro Max to give that premium feel. This could make the iPhone lighter, stronger, and better at handling heat while also improving scratch resistance and internal cooling. In other words, this is what the iPhone 17 Pro Max was meant to be, because obviously we've gone back to aluminum. We're getting a lot of scratch gate issues, as they call it, but it looks like we could be going back to titanium all over again. But then finally, the last key leak comes in from Mark Gurman one more time, covered by Mac Rumors, and it's all about the release timing. Right now, everything points towards September 2026 with its reveal and pre-order shortly after and shipping in late September time, exactly in time for when Apple normally do that annual iPhone scheduled release. There's nothing in leaks suggesting a delay on the iPhone Pro or the iPhone Pro Max this year for the 18 models. Maybe the iPhone Fold could come out a bit later on, but we'll just have to wait and see on that one. But really, guys, that is the latest and greatest on the iPhone 18 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Is this something that you're excited for? Are you excited that we could be getting titanium back, a more polished up camera, and also that Apple are more going to be focusing on a premium line first? Well, let me know in the comments below. And also on that note as well, guys, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please also make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons. And plus on top too, if you've enjoyed watching it, make sure that you also press the like button too. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.